The first proof reason we're going to go over is given. And I think given is the easiest one. I think a lot of people have their arms around given, but let's talk about it anyway. Given is the reason that we give for all of the statements that are given to us automatically at the beginning of a proof. And these are the lines that are the first few lines in the proof. Whenever you start off with a blank proof, you can always start off by entering the givens. Let's take a look at this sample proof. All right, so we've got this statement over here, we've got a given statement, and we've got a statement we need to prove. So in this proof so far, there are two given statements in different places. See if you can tell me what they are. Well, one way that statements can be given to you is they could just be laid out in text like this. So one, we can say E is the midpoint of AB. And that's given. There's a second given statement in this proof. It's not this to prove statement. That would go down at the bottom of the proof. I don't know what the reason for this is. We'll work this out later. But the other given statements in this proof are these tick marks that are placed in the diagram. So there's one arc on this angle and there's one arc on that angle. That means that those two angles are congruent to each other. That's similar arc design means that they are the same size. So I can say, I can use 3-letter names for those angles, but I could just as easily describe them with 1 letter because there's no confusion when I say angle C. There's only one angle in this diagram that has C as its vertex. And that's given as well. All right, so there are two ways that statements can be given. And when I look at a proof, the way that I identify where my given statements are going to be is I see the things that start off with given. There could be multiple statements, so I want to make sure to mark them all down. And I can also see given statements when I see marks on the diagram. So that's the idea behind given.